disc hunt. What's up, Caps Ninja? Sensei Lance here today with Ninja Jacks. All right, and what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be doing a little bit of disc hunting. What we're going to do is I'm going to have the discs, these things right here, basically frisbees. We're going to have frisbees. All right, we got about 3 of them. And what we're going to do is we are going to work on our accuracy and our timing and our focus. What I'm going to do is Ninja Jacks, right there. Caught him slipping. All right, what he's going to be doing is I'm going to throw the discs in the air, and what he's going to do is his goal is to throw a beautiful straight punch, correct punch, and knock them out of the air. All right, let's see how he does. All right, here we are. I'm going to throw 3 discs, Ninja Jacks. You're going to have 3 opportunities. Here we go. All right, make sure to focus, concentrate. Here we go. Oh, good one. Knocked one right out of the air. Here we go. Here we go. Here's number 2. Ready and good. Oh, remember, bring it back. Bring it all the way back. Bring it all the way back. Don't punch wild. Okay, here we go. One more. Ready and oh. All right. Now, Ninja Jacks, look at the camera. Look. Okay. It's all right, man. Now, you hit 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3 that time. Now, I think you can hit 3 out of 3.
Yes,
what do you
sir.
think?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir? Awesome. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, hands are up. All right, here we go. We'll start with disc number 1. Ready, and there we go. Good. Now bring that punch all the way back. Back to your chin every time. Good form. Here we go. That was good. Okay, here comes disc number 2. Here we go. Ready? There you go. Hands up. Hands up. That was dead on. Dead on. Okay, now here. Disc number 3, the magic disc. Okay, the one that got away from you last time. We're going to get it this time. Here we go. No pressure. No pressure. Here we go. Ready, and he got it! Woo! Give me hands up. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Victory. Awesome. All right. Okay. All right, now, that's just a fun little drill that you can do. That took 3 frisbees. You can take a cardboard box, cut it up. That's what we usually do. We have a cardboard box. We cut 3 circles out of it, and that's usually what we use. It's a fun drill. Do you have fun, Jax? That is a fun way to develop speed, accuracy, focus, and all the qualities you need to throw an effective punch. Really, any effective technique takes focus and concentration. Okay, and of course accuracy. I know we talk a lot about speed and power, but accuracy is the most important thing, and that's really what that drill works on. All right, y'all, ninjas, go find somebody to practice that with. It's a fun drill. You can do it all day long, get a good workout in, and develop that focus. All right, y'all, have a great day.